Now welcome student. This is our second lecture on chemical kinetics. In previous period we studied about rate of reaction, that is velocity of reaction. Second one, rate constant of the reaction, and third one, unit of rate constant of the reaction. Now after this, today we have to see the factors affecting on the rate of reaction. Actually there are 5 main factors affecting on the rate of reaction. How many factors are there? Main factor, 5 main factors affects on the rate of reaction. First one is concentration of reactant. Second one is effect of temperature. Third one is effect of solvent. Fourth one is effect of catalyst, and fifth one is effect of pressure. Are you getting clear? Now which are the 5 factors? First factor affecting on the rate of reaction is concentration of reactants, and second one is effect of temperature on the rate of reaction. Third one is effect of solvent, means the rate of reaction also depends upon the nature of solvent, that is solvent. And fourth one is the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction, and last one is the effect of pressure on the rate of reaction. Now see one by one. Now first of all, effect of concentration of the reactant on the rate of reaction. This is the first point. As you know, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species raised to their number of moles. Means if we consider a reaction of the type, if we consider such a reaction, here capital A and capital B are reactants and small a and small b are the number of moles of the reactant capital A and capital B respectively. Means A and B are the number of moles of the reactant, capital A and capital B are reactants. Now as you know, this rate of reaction, that is dx by dt, is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species raised to their number of moles. Means here superscript is A and into concentration of B raised to B. Here superscript is small b. Means from this it is clear that this rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species raised to their number of moles. Okay. Now except zero order reaction, because zero order reaction, the rate of reaction is independent on the concentration of the reactant. Except zero order reaction, this is in this way. Now from this it is clear that if initially reactants are taken, before reaction concentration of reactant is there, small a and small b moles of reactants are there, and before reaction product is 0. As reaction starts, what happens? Means the concentration of the reactant goes on decrease and concentration of product goes on increase. Means if we plot a graph of concentration versus time, from this graph it is clear that initially only reactants are there, means time is 0, then only reactant is there. As time increases, the concentration of the reactant decreases. Now intersection of these two now gives this point. Now as time increases, concentration of the reactant decreases. Means in this way you will get this curve. Now from this curve it is clear that theoretically this reaction never goes to completion, but practically it is considered after some time the rate of reaction slow down and the reaction is complete. Now this is curve first and it is for reactant. Opposite to this, initially before reaction when time is 0, only at time t only product is 0. Okay, product is 0. As time increases, the concentration of product increases. As time increases, concentration of product increases. In this way, such a curve is obtained. This is curve second and it is for product. Means from this it is clear that initially concentration of the reactant is more. As the reaction proceeds, the rate of reaction decreases. Okay, and what happens? The concentration of the reactant also decreases. Means from this it is clear that the rate is highest in the beginning and continuously decreases with a time. Rate is highest in the beginning. Why? Because the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species. Here concentration of the reacting species in the beginning is more, and as the time increases, the concentration of the reacting species decreases. That's why the rate is highest in the beginning, and further as time increases, the rate will be goes on decrease. And from this curve, theoretically we seen that, or we may say that the reaction is not complete, but practically it is considered that after some time the reaction is slow and reaction is to be complete, and this is the reverse case for the product. Now in this way, this is the effect of concentration on the reactant. Initially what is there? Concentration of the reactant is more. Okay, as the reaction starts, the concentration decreases, and the rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration. That's why initially the rate is high, more is the concentration. As the reaction proceeds, the concentration of the reactant will goes on decrease with respect to time. That's why rate of reaction also decreases. Now second point is temperature. Now as the temperature increases, what happens? The rate of reaction also increases. Why this is so? Because due to increase in the temperature, the kinetic energy of the reacting species increases, their number of collision increases, and the rate of reaction also increases. And at ordinary temperature, the reaction rate is appreciable, or with increase in the temperature, it may be appreciably high and may get explosive. Or it may happens, every rise in the 10 degree, the reaction rate may be doubled or tripled. मतलब एखादी रिएक्शन अपने लगाई है, वो रिएक्शन का पहले 10 मिनट में जो रेट था उतना ही नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट में रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं. पहले 10 मिनट में जितना रेट था उसके नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट में उससे पहले से डबल भी हो सकता है, ट्रिपल भी हो सकता है. ओके, मीन्स एज द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेस, द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इंक्रीजेस. फॉर एनी रिएक्शन at ordinary temperature, the rate is appreciable, or as temperature increases, rate may be increased suddenly or may explosive. Every rise in the 10 degree, every raise in the 10 degree, the rate of reaction may be doubled or tripled or may explosive. Okay, now solvent. Solvent plays a very important role in the reaction. Actually, in the reaction, solvent has a particular role. It is necessary that the solvent must provide the medium for the reacting species. Okay, ये रोल होता है सॉल्वेंट का. लेकिन कभी कभार क्या हो सकता है, सॉल्वेंट चूज करने में कभी गलती हो गई तो ये रिएक्शन में यूज करने वाला सॉल्वेंट मीडियम प्रोवाइड करने की जगह कभी कभी रिएक्टिंग स्पीसीज के साथ में रिएक्ट हो सकता है, उससे रिएक्शन के रेट पे इफेक्ट गिर सकता है. Are you getting clear? Means what is the effect of solvent? The main role of solvent is to provide the medium for the reaction, and if suitable solvent is not chosen, if we did their mistake in order to choose the solvent for particular reaction, then the rate of reaction may be changed. Means solvent plays a very important role in the reaction. Now next is catalyst. As you know, what is the effect, what is the role of the catalyst? To increase the rate of reaction. Okay, means due to use of catalyst, the rate of reaction increases. In order to increase the rate of reaction, we study so many reaction, hydrogenation in the 12th standard or in first year. Okay, platinum, palladium catalyst we have used. You know, the catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Now next point is the pressure. In case of the gaseous reaction, pressure plays a very important role. Due to increase in the pressure, what happens? The concentration of the reacting species increases. Okay, number of collisions increases. Rate of reaction also increases. Now these are 5 very important factors affecting on the rate of reaction. Question may be asked, explain the factors affecting on the rate of reaction, or explain the factors influencing on the rate of reaction. Same thing, influence karna or effect karna. Okay, affecting or influencing on the rate of reaction. Which are these 5 factors? Concentration of the reactant, then second one is the temperature, next one is the solvent, then catalyst, and last one is pressure. Okay, now here as pressure increases, rate of reaction increases. Now here, what is the effect of concentration? Initially, you must know the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species raised to their number of moles. Okay, that's why rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting species raised to their number of moles. Number of moles are high initially reacting species के, जैसा ही रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होती है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स रिएक्टिंग स्पेसीज के कम होते जाते हैं विथ टाइम, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इंक्रीज होते हैं. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई सिंस रेट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टिंग स्पेसीज एट दैट टाइम, जैसा टाइम बढ़ता है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम होता है, मतलब रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस. मीन्स इट इज अज्यूम दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम द रिएक्शन गेट्स स्लो डाउन. वी स्टडीड ग्राफिकली as if we plot a concentration versus temperature, the rate concentration of the reactant decreases in a such a way. Theoretically reaction is not complete, but practically it is assumed after some time it may be slow, rate of reaction may be slowed down and reaction is complete. And reverse case for the product, initially concentration of product is 0. Okay, as the time increases concentration of product increases. Okay, that's why in this way such a curve is obtained for product. Now temperature directly proportional. Solvent effect on the rate of reaction, means the rate of reaction depends upon the nature of solvent. Solvent has only one role, to provide the medium for reaction. It is necessary solvent only provide, it is necessary that the reactor must provide the medium for the reaction. Okay, solvent plays a very important role. That's why the rate of reaction also depends upon the nature of solvent. Catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Okay, now pressure for gaseous reaction, as pressure increases the rate of reaction also increases. In this way these are the 5 important points affecting on the rate of reaction. Here we completed the factors affecting on the rate of reaction. If any difficulty up to this, first we studied the rate, that is velocity, that is speed. Second one rate constant, third one unit of rate constant, then fourth one today factors affecting, 5 factors affecting on the rate of reaction. Okay, in detail. Up to this if any difficulty ask me frankly. Thank you very much.